And here we have at Rock's Way Style, great personalities meeting the greatness. Today we have Mr. Atula Herat, all the way from Japan, guys, and he is one of the business tycoons in this world, I would say. And it's so nice to meet you, sir. Welcome to Rock's Way Style. How are you, sir? How are you today?
Fine, thank you. Thank you, fine.
So it's so nice to have you here, and I have heard so much about you, how great you are, and I have seen your profile, and you have done a lot of social services to the life, which means you are already content with your life, right? And sir, who are you as? I'm so curious to know from you itself. Who are you as a person?
Actually, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an investment company in holding worldwide. We have a lot of companies in Singapore, Japan, Korea, UK, USA, and Australia. That globalized, we have a lot of transactions going on in these days in project investment and project funding, government and private sector. That's our normal practice we are doing now.
That's really great, sir. Okay, so then, so what were your achievement goals? Now you have already achieved them a whole lot, right? Were you the same at the beginning itself, or how did you reach these goals?
Yeah, I'm started in 1962. I'm born in Sri Lanka, but after I will study in Sri Lanka, Nalanda College in Colombo. And after 1992, I'm moving. At that time, I will do for real estate and a lot of business in Sri Lanka, in import vehicles and real estate development and other things in Sri Lanka. After I'm moving in Japan in 1992, that time I opened a company in Japan, in export vehicle and real estate development in Japan. That company is name called Sri Lanka Trading Company. That company I'm doing in 2006 and again returned to Sri Lanka. That time I'm doing in a lot of transactions in worldwide, a lot of countries via export vehicles and a lot of import vehicles and a lot of things are done in Japan. Yeah, a lot of business opportunities in Japan. That time I did a lot of Japanese transaction other things. Same time I adopted my father in Japanese, Mr. Kamikawa Koki. He is my adopted father. He is helping a lot of things to us, especially in Japan. Very much thankful to him, Mr. Kamikawa Koki. He is my father in Japan.
Right.
That's my starting point.
Okay, sir. So, sir, you were speaking about your school and all. What sort of a person were you at school as a student?
Yeah, student. I have a lot of friends in the school time. That time I'm studying well, and I passed my O-level and A-level exams in Nalanda College. At that time I have a lot of friends and playing games and other things in Nalanda College, Sri Lanka. That time a lot of big friends in that time. I'm moving a lot of friends with. I enjoy the school life in that age. But thereafter,
Great, sir. That's great.
university.
So what you're saying is, it is okay for us to enjoy our lives as and when it is. That has, restricting the fun, not being with friends and all that doesn't mean that you're going to reach a level. I mean, looking at you, you're in such a seat, in such a position, an owner of so many different countries, and I would say, you have conquered the world. That would be the right word for me to use for you. And still, you had a beautiful childhood. You had lots of nice friends with you, and you have enjoyed your life. Is that right, sir?
Yeah, correct. We enjoy a lot of small time, school time, and after the school we are doing some business in Sri Lanka. My young time, in young age, I started the business in Sri Lanka. In real estate and motor vehicle import and export business in Sri Lanka. And then I started in my age 20, I started business in Sri Lanka. Age 26, I moved into Japan in import vehicle first. Thereafter, I started the company in Japan and started business in export vehicle into 1992.
So you were business minded when you were young itself.
Yeah. Young time I'm 18 years or so. I'm schooling. That time also I do to
Amazing.
start the business in some young time. But
That's
we are very.
amazing, sir. That's
My
really
mother also
amazing.
business. Yeah. My mother is a businessman, business lady in Sri Lanka. Is a lot of real estate owned by own dads and assets in Sri Lanka. That time I also the business in that time.
That's really nice, sir. So you had your parents' guidance throughout with you. Those were the scaffolds which put you in the right path and push you towards. Yes. So, sir, um, as a teenager and as a student, and you have shared with us, what about you as a friend alone? As a friend
Yeah,
alone.
we have a lot of friends in Sri Lanka, but school time we have a lot of playing games and cricket and other playing games in Sri Lanka. That time was we are young time is mainly Sri Lanka not that much of developed in 1960s. That time not internet and other things, but we are playing ground playing and athletic and cricket that other activities we have done.
That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, I really thought that if you have a focus or a goal that you have to, trap yourself, hold yourself, and there is no fun, it is only work. But no, according to you, you have had so much fun. You lived your life as a student, as a friend, as a kid. You have enjoyed your life and come so far. That's very nice, sir. So by the time, like when you're reaching this goals, do you have a plan? This is how I'm supposed to do it.
Yeah, I try to do the good businessman in world. That time I start the business in Japan. I study a lot of things in Japan business system. They are working very properly on time, working and other things, and same time on a system established in Japan. That system is very attractive to businessmen. That system is actually I grew up in this business region worldwide. That reason I'm establishing a lot of companies in worldwide, Hong Kong and Korea, Australia, UK and Singapore and USA and other countries also. That good opportunity I learned that Japanese business management system.
So from an early stage, when you're educating yourself itself, the place where you were educated about the business had all the connections prepared for you. So you were able to reach out to all those areas and develop in an early stage itself. Am I correct, sir?
Yeah, correct. I export the vehicles in worldwide. That time I have a lot of client in more than 26 countries. We are exporting vehicles in that time. That time I linked a lot of country in business connections and business ventures.
So in your development, in your from your childhood now, so what would you think is the correct aspects which came towards you that help you to develop like this, to become a business tycoon as such?
Yeah, we are normally doing for a on-time business. We are Japanese style working as a on-time. We are doing somebody's time in 10 a.m. 10 a.m. start the meeting. After 10 a.m. we will close the business and go out. That's the Japanese style. Japanese are
Wow.
not working after that time. That's on-time business. That's number one. Number two is honor is we are normally some payments need. Japanese style is we are purchase the vehicles in auction. We can take out a vehicle to an export, but we can pay on-time payments. Otherwise, not allowed to enter the auction. The system is online, on-time payments and on-time appreciate that on-time arrange all payments and everything. That's main thing. That's a trusted.
Time is the main thing. Time.
Yeah,
Wow. Time
time
is
and
the main value. Good answer, sir. Good answer. Actually, I'm thinking and processing it into myself because I want to become something or somewhat. I have set up my goals as well. So I'm doing this, meeting the great personalities and encourage, like listening to their stories, success stories, and failures also, so that I can improve myself. And there are many of us like that in the world, sir, waiting for an opportunity. What went wrong? How did this person develop? And with that urge and the feeling of conquering, not conquering the world, I would say, but something or another. We all have our different goals, and to learn from you on how you what you think is important in developing ourselves is a great value, and you have given us a lot. The main lesson I have taken forward is the time management and being on time. Thank you very much for that part, sir. And any other message you want to leave with us, sir? Any golden words? If it's
Yeah, everybody needs some business, but they need to achieve cover their honor is they are promised something, they need to proceed. Otherwise, a lot of people are businessmen. Then now in world problem is they don't honor their time and that promises. That a lot of Japanese are working on time, and same time they will achieve their promises. Not documentation part. Agreement is not honor. They are working words is honor. The problem is business world. A lot of people have a problem. They don't promise. They will promise, but not honor the promises. That's a problem in world. But somebody promised something, they need to achieve that promises. It's a good point. Otherwise, very difficult to business world establishing people.
so true, sir. Those are really valuable words. And so, when it comes to this honor, like sometimes when the business develops, like yours, okay, you are not having just one company, you have so many companies, and you're depending on a lot of, you have hired a lot of people to cascade the work which you have, right? So these people, how do you make sure that these people who are working under you are following this honor which matters a lot to you? So what have you done?
Actually, we are not hired a lot of people. We are hiring professionals. Actually, we are hiring lawyers and accountants and business management managers and asset managers. That type of people we are handling. That is a very easy to our staff management in online. We are doing the last 2-3 years in Singapore, also Japan, also all online businesses. Online businesses, we are doing project funding. We are receiving a lot of collateral from banks to bank. Our bankers are communicating with us online. At the same time, lawyers also doing online. They are doing the documentation part in online and what deliver to us. We will sign and send. That all transactions are going on online. That very easy, very limited officers to work in our company. We are hiring plus accountant, lawyers, and professionals.
So what you're saying is your system itself, your working system itself, has no other way but honoring your ideas and your thoughts.
Yeah.
There is no scope of getting out of this.
Yeah.
That's very good.
We are not hiring a lot of big staff. Yeah, limited staff is hired. The staff is a top class professionals. Professionals is that professional qualification people. We are hiring companies. Companies hired is very easy. For example, we are hiring accountant, we can hire in PwC, KPMG, that type of account firm. Law firms also, we have Raja in Singapore, that type of law firms are professionals. That's very easy. We are paying high rate, but our services is we can hire it properly.
That's quality before quantity. Understood that, sir.
Yeah,
That's very nice.
Number one, that we are paying big amount, but it's quality is a big one, good.
The work quality is there, and you have nothing to worry about protecting your honor because your system is based in such way. And time management, these are the things which I'm carrying forward from you today. I have learned within these few minutes, and these are great words coming from a great personality at Rocks V Style. That is none other our own. I would say person who is all the way from Sri Lanka, being a Sri Lankan living in UAE, and I'm so proud of you, sir, that we are all Sri Lankans, and proud to be a Sri Lankan. Say that Mr. Atul Lahera is a gem, a very nice gem from Sri Lanka, who is expanded, who is shining in a global platform. Thank you very much, sir, for your time. And it is great to learn from you and have such a person, such a developed person in this program today. Great personalities at Rocks V Style. Meet you later with another personality. Thank you very much, guys. See you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks. Bye-bye. Thanks. Thank you.
Very much, sir. Thank you.